Ndewonu ụmụaka, welcome back. Nnọọnụ, ngwagbakọọnụ, come together for another exciting episode of Akụkọ Ifọ, our special place for magical folk tales and African wisdom. Today's story is about a clever animal you all know well. Can you guess? Yes, it's Mbè the Tortoise. This time, he is gifted a magical talking drum. What could go wrong? Let's find out. Long ago, in the heart of the forest, near here, Mbè helped the king of the forest, Odum. He cleaned his compound, fetched water, and treated him with respect. Odum the king said, "Mbè, for your kindness, I will give you a magical drum. Use it wisely, share, and never let greed control you." Mbè bowed and said, "Ekenemgi ezohia, I thank you, king of the forest." But in his heart, Mbè was dreaming of all the food he will enjoy alone. Mbè tried it at home. He beat the drum. Bang tum, wapatum bang. Food appeared. Wah! Pounded yam, spicy soups, sweet fruits, everything he wanted. But instead of sharing with his friends, he ate and ate alone. One day, Mbè wanted even more. He beat the drum too hard, too many times. Suddenly, bam! The drum burst. Wild animals jumped out. They chased him. He ran and ran, shouting, "Ewo, Biko, help me, oh!" Mbè returned the broken drum to the king of the forest, Odum. He learned a big lesson that day. That blessings are meant to be shared, not hidden away. And from that day, he was no longer the same. Moral of the story: greed brings trouble, but kindness brings blessings. Anyukwu na-eweta nsogbu, mana obiọma na-eweta ngọzi. So, children, share with others. Don't be like greedy Mbè. Thanks for watching, ụmụaka. Daalụnụ. Biko, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical Igbo stories like this. Ngwakọọdịnụ. Bye.